Hello friends, this is Shravan. This is my YouTube channel Civil Engineering by Shravan. To subscribe my channel, click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates. In this video, I will explain you complete details of house plan of G+1 duplex house which is placed in east facing direction. So initially I will explain you the side dimensions. So from that respected side dimensions, I will explain the plan. Okay. So the side dimensions will be consisting of 33 feet in east facing direction as well as west facing direction. So we have to multiply this respected value with the length of the site. So it will be consisting of 62 feet. So click on enter. It will be consisting of 2046 square feet area. So divided by 9 we'll get the area which is in square yards. So which is approximately equal to 227.88 square yards. So I will take the approximate value as 228 square yards. Okay. So for this respected 228 square yards, I will explain you the complete details of duplex house which is in east facing direction. So click on this PDF file. So this is the house plan which is related to the duplex house of G+1 which is in east facing direction. So this is the ground floor plan and this is the first floor plan. Okay. So initially I will explain you the complete details of ground floor plan. So after that I will explain you the complete details of first floor plan. Okay. So this is the ground floor which is consisting of single bedroom, living, kitchen and storeroom. Okay. So this is the entrance for this respected ground floor. It will be consisting of greenery area in front of the house. It will be consisting of 32 feet 2 inches in length direction distance as well as 14 feet 2 inches in width direction distance greenery area. Through this greenery area we are entering into the living room. So this is the dimensions which is related to the living room which is consisting of 15 feet 0 inches cross 16 feet 7 inches, and this is the opening for the respected dining section. Now we can able to see the dining section directly from the entrance. So this the dining section will be consisting of 12 feet 0 inches cross 11 feet 5 inches, and this is the kitchen. Okay, which is placed in this respected east facing direction which is consisting of 11 feet in length direction distance as well as 11 feet in width direction distance. This is the puja room which is placed in the kitchen itself. It will be consisting of 3 feet in length direction distance, 4 feet in width direction distance, and this is the store room. So which is consisting of 6 feet 7 inches in length direction distance and 5 feet in width direction distance, and one toilet is attached for this respected hall section which is consisting of 6 feet 7 inches cross 5 feet. Okay. So this is the staircases which are generally useful for climbing to the first floor. Okay. The dimensions of this respective staircases are 12 feet in length direction distance as well as 6 feet in width direction distance, and this is the single bedroom which is placed at the ground story which is consisting of the dimensions of 24 feet 8 inches cross 13 feet 8.4 inches. Okay. To the bedroom section there is a one toilet here which is consisting of 6 feet 7 inches cross 5 feet. Okay. So this is the ground floor plan and complete details of this respected ground floor section. So it will be consisting of living room here and kitchen, puja room, storeroom, toilet and dining hall, bedroom section as well as your attached bathroom here. Okay. So through this respected staircases we are entering into the first floor. Now I will explain you the complete details about the first floor. It will be consisting of double bedroom, home theater, living room for this respected house plan. Okay. So this is the details about this respected right hand side section of first floor. It will be consisting of same greenery area which is consisting of 14 feet 2 inches in vertical direction distance, 32 to 2 inches in width direction distance. Okay. So this respected staircases we are entering into the first floor. So through this respected lobby we are entering into the bedroom here. The dimensions of the bedroom is 24 feet 8 inches in length direction distance, again 13 feet 8.4 inches in width direction distance. So again for this respected bedroom also there is a attached bathroom here which is consisting of 6 feet 7 inches in length direction distance and 5 feet in width direction distance. Okay. So through this respected lobby we are entering into the toilet here which is placed near to the home theater. So it is also opening for the hall section here. Okay. So the dimensions of the washroom is 6 feet 7 inches in length direction, 5 feet in width direction. Okay. So in front of this respective staircases there is a home theater here in the first floor. The dimensions of the home theater is 24 feet 8 inches in vertical direction distance as well as 13 feet 8.4 inches in width direction distance. Okay, so this is the dimensions for this respected home theater. Again, it will be consisting of the living room here. So in front of this, it is also consisting of 15 feet 0 inches in length direction distance. Again, 16 feet 7 inches in width direction distance. Again, it is also consisting of bedroom here, which is consisting of the dimensions, not this 24, it is approximately equal to 14 feet. So 14 feet 8 inches cross 13 feet 8.4 inches is the dimensions for this respected bedroom. Okay, so this is the details about the first floor plan as well as ground floor plan for this respected east facing duplex house. Okay, so it will be consisting of the dimensions of the site is approximately equal to 228 square yards. So for this respected duplex house, it will be consisting of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 number of columns. Each column dimensions will be consisting of 9 inches cross 12 inches, which is approximately equal to 1 feet. 1 feet cross 9 inches is the dimensions for the columns, and all beam sections are comes under your respected 9 inches cross 9 inches. Now I will explain you the center to center distance between the columns for this respected house. So select this respected plan. So this is the center to center distance between the column sections of 12 columns for this respected house. So it will be consisting of the grids A, B, C in horizontal direction. Again, it will be consisting of the grids here like 1, 2, 3, 4 in vertical direction. Okay, so the bay frame will be consisting of AB here, which is consisting of the center to center distance between the column is 11 feet 5 inches, and second B2C is the secondary beam, which is consisting of 14 feet 0 inches is the distance here. Again, in the same way, the first grid to second grid distance will be consisting of 11 feet 2.0336 inches approximately. Again, second grid to third grid will be consisting of 11 feet approximately 7 inches, and third grid to fourth grid will be consisting of 20 feet 3.5 inches here. Okay, this is the center to center distance between the column, and this is the layout which is related to the beam sections. Okay, this is complete details about the duplex house plan, which is in east facing direction as per the Vastu. So it will be consisting of single bedroom, hall, kitchen, living section at the ground story, and it will be consisting of 2 bedrooms, home theater as well as living hall section at this respected first story. I will attach this respected plan in the below description of this respected video, so you can download the plan from there. So if you have any queries about this respected video, please text me your questions in the below comment box. I will give you the answer for this respected house plan. Thank you.